Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the pound dollar is obviously still in a huge uptrend on the higher time frames. There's still no signs of this trend being over yet. Going down to the shorter time frames, we did make a pretty significant move down, but you have to notice that it never did break structure. Even on the 1 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still up. So I would definitely still be recommending longs in an uptrend. I mean, odds are that this could just keep on going up and make a new high on this 1 hour time frame pretty easily. Now, one thing that does kind of stick out to me is that this could be a wave A, especially looking at the euro dollar for correlation, and that this right here could be like a wave B, and it possibly could go down to make a wave C, maybe even to the 38%. It really seems like most of these dollar pairs are missing a wave 4. So if it goes down and makes a wave 4, maybe to the 38%, and then goes up and makes a wave 5, I personally think that would make the most sense. I personally also will not be trying to short this wave C because that's a very unreliable, unpredictable trade because the trend is up on literally every single higher time frame. It doesn't have to go down and make a wave C like this. Perhaps it will more likely, just go up like this and make new highs. That's why all I'm doing is looking for longs every chance I get. At the end of every pullback, I'm trying to get long for the continuation of this uptrend. I'm definitely not trying to fight very strong trends, which all these dollar pairs are very strong trends. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.